So now we are in this part, we are going to install WAMP server. You could download WAMP server from wampserver.com on the website, where it is available free of cost. It consists of a Windows, Apache, a PHP engine, and MySQL. It does not contain actually Windows, but it is designed for Windows. It consists of Apache web server, MySQL the database, and PHP engine to uh, run PHP scripts. It is a combination of all. You don't need to install each of them separately. So you simply select your language, click next, and choose your options and install it as follows. Choose the configuration, either 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever your PC is likely to have, and just move to install section. So now let us test a custom script that is index.php. Write it with Notepad, and in this script we are going to write a simple PHP script for the demonstration whether it WAMP is properly installed or not. Just write open uh, open arrow sign question mark PHP and info. Now open your browser, type in the IP of localhost. You can write localhost or type in IP 127.0.0.1 and slash the given script. For example, hello. It automatically runs that